Kibichomelo musoli kubuha mazi mwangala Bulozi awalui kumsa kayona miru patalaza kuzolera matoropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mwabalelwa kina Nathana kufuna wa mundila. Harutalimeni fali toho za Makande. MUKWAE MBUYWANA BABULUKILWE mwa Mungu. YANABANGA meya wa Mungu UTOLOKILE MUKWAE MBUYWANA KUBA MUBUKELEZI wa ZWELOPILI. RDA INYATELA PENE YEFITA fa 4.8 billion kwacha KULUKISA MIKWAKWA ya LIVINGSTONE-SESHEKE ni CHIPATA-LUNDAZI. Ni Makande kakutala MUKWAE MBUYWANA na wina Antoinette Konoso babulukilwe mwa sikiriti sa Mungu hasamula walifulabona la sunda 5 skulu 2026 mwetolopo ya Lusaka. Kepelo ye ne ikalisize ni misa kwa keleke ya Katolika ya St. John's ne ikopanyize sichaba kuzwa kwa maluko ashutana sina balikopano baitereli basizo ni bayemeli bamuso. Mwamanzwi atumbo mulonga wa Bulozi UTOLOKILE bonyandi kuba mwitereli ya nani chiseho iliyo na busizesi baka sakatongo mwa sikiriti sa Mungu kamukwa omunde ahulu.
A life worth lived is a life full of purpose and impact on society. This is the life that MUKWAE MBUYWANA lived according to the people that knew and interacted with her. Princess Mbuywana Nawina Antoinette Konoso has been put to rest in MUNGU, Western Province, following her death on Sunday, 5th July 2026 in Lusaka. During the church service, Induna Mutwaleti said she was a generous person and emphasized to the family that they should remain united.
Isike mwari musalimu hulu asaile chwana petu nimi na muhasane fiera.
Zambia Agents for People with Disability, represented by Simona Mubyana, also highlighted that she was an active advocate in the rights for people with disabilities.
She was able to give land to persons with disabilities, and also she was welcoming. When you visit her, she was welcoming, and we could at some point discuss various challenges that persons with disabilities faces in our community.
At the royal resting place called Sitino, mourners gathered not to mourn but to celebrate life. Catholic Women's League member and friend narrated how she was committed to church and said she was not saddened by her death. Instead, she is happy because she died in Christ.
Saying, I'm happy because she has gone as a Christian. She prayed for herself. She was there praying. You could see that she's praying. Yes, so this is the sign that I'm saying. I was happy and I did my best to take her to the hospital and to ask her to pray.
For Bulozi TV, I'm Bruce Masalela from MUNGU, Western Province.
Mizeo halili chwalo yanabanga mwitereli wa mulonganyana wa sikiriti sa Mungu bonyambe muyumbana batolokile bonyandi MUKWAE MBUYWANA kuba MUBUKELEZI wa ZWELOPILI yomutuna mwa sikiriti. Kuambola kwa bihiba Makande bamazi umangala Bulozi bomuyumbana baize bomukwae bakahupulu akalira tola bona nikemelo etuna kwa sichaba sa Mbuywana. Bakonile kwama famu sebezi tuna wone bakonile kweza mwamungendenge wakuya hamkwakwa waka gravel kwabela batu mubu kwa misebezi ya ZWELOPILI mwawadi ya Katongo sina spatela sesituna sa security sikolo sakatongo kubya cholo ni mubu fokutomirwe yona mazi umangala Bulozi.
As MUNGU District mourns Princess Mbuywana, former Mayor Nyambe Muyumbana remembers her as more than royalty. He described her as a great custodian of development. According to Muyumbana, her legacy lives on through the love she had for the people of Mbuywana and through the projects she championed.
Wakensa support yabona bakensali lato labona kona mbona kuli nulukonele kweza ka gravel kashenu leka gravel is one of the best gravel roads in Mungu kinga akunzi chalo kiba kensa inspiration ya MUKWAE MBUYWANA kwanda zeo mubona MBUYWANA momo katongo kaufera ufire kena musalimu ule itobalezi ya mfo Kwinzi TV fa kwa Kwinzi Spatela kwa Kwinzi Police Post lusabule liskolo.
Residents across MBUYWANA and the wider district say they are deeply saddened by her passing.
Naruba zibaka piru yende baruba balezi nebe haluizi faruzi yerehire mumali wa matuna
ne baruba balera ne barukusa mutungata twe lwalira lwa utobutuku kakuli kerusya usina mshimi kene ne mshimi wauna ine usepile
bakonele kuberekera mukungata kutusa mukungata mama palera una mangata ngata kaba kaleo lwalira utobutuku kalindona.
The former mayor has since sent heartfelt condolences to the family, the MBUYWANA community, the Barosero establishment, and the entire district. Nchumonya Siaminwe, Bulozi TV News, MUNGU, Western Province.
Mihaili balekisi mwasi bakasa MBUYWANA mwawadi ya Katongo ili mwasikiriti sa MUNGU mwa Bulozi ne bakonele kukwala li business zabona ili kufali kute kumushemi bonyandi MUKWAE MBUYWANA hane babulukiwa. Babihi Makande bamazi mwangala abulozi labutanu 10 skulu 2026 hane bayo tatuba ne bafumani kuli musika wa New Market wazibahala kalibizo la Hagai ne musika wa Muhau ne ikwalilwe mibalekisi bangi bali ntolo ni bafatu buthi kaufela ne bakamuhile kabungata kuyo buluka wa MUKWAE. Mibonyande bo MUKWAE MBUYWANA bawone batimezela sunda 5 skulu 2026 mwa toropo ya Lusaka bakonele kubulukiwa labutano 10 skulu 2026 mwa sikiriti sa MUNGU.
All economic activities have been put on hold at the New Market based in MBUYWANA area of Katongo Ward in honor of Princess MBUYWANA Nawina Antoinette Konoso. During a check by Bulozi TV on Friday, July 10th, 2026, at the market, trading stands, booths, and shops were closed and empty. Market traders had gone to bid farewell and pay their final respects at the burial of the late princess. It is always customary in the Lozi culture that when a person of high reputation dies, residents, as a sign of respect, suspend their businesses on the day of burial in honor of the departed. Princess MBUYWANA was known for her grace, kindness to the community, and dedication to her family and the Barosero establishment, BRE. The princess passed away on 4th July in Lusaka and has been laid to rest on Friday, 10th July 2026 in MUNGU. Nchumonya Siaminwe, Bulozi TV News, MUNGU, Western Province.
Mikuzolapili ni Makande babahulu balipatela mwa MUNGU wo Dr. Silwendo Lioma vaize hakuna bakuli bafumanwi ni butuku wa mizus mwasikiriti ni haike kuli butuku wo butaselezeli bakazengwi zana Zambia. Bo Dr. Lioma vaize security sizwelopili KUBA fabwitukiso libakala kuli MUNGU kiona pita ya Bulozi mibungata wabatu baipumana banze baizali business mwa security kuzwa kwa libaka lisili. Mibazo zipili kutalusakuli balikolo la makete basweli katata kweza litatubo nikuzi bisasi chava mwali lalanda ilikuli wakone kuisreleza kwa chambukelo yekona kubateng.
The Ministry of Health recently announced that it has launched an emergency measles rubella vaccination campaign following an outbreak that has affected several parts of the country. The campaign, which targeted children aged 6 months to 9 years, was rolled out in 5 high-risk districts as government moved to contain the spread of the disease. Western Province was identified as an epicenter of the outbreak, with health authorities warning of gaps in child immunization. However, MUNGU District Health Director says no measles cases have been recorded in the district so far.
I speak today for MUNGU District. We have no confirmed case, but you may know already that MUNGU is the center of economic activity for Western Province. Therefore, we are on alert mode, and we have put up important measures to ensure that our communities and healthcare workers are safeguarded.
He says the district has intensified disease surveillance and community sensitization to prevent a possible outbreak.
First of all, we have some sensitization meetings and campaigns to our communities. We have had capacity building programs for our healthcare workers to be on the lookout and just to remind them of the signs and symptoms of measles. You may also know that measles is one of the preventable diseases by vaccinations, and they would like to take this opportunity, I think, to appeal to our communities to ensure that all under 5 children get vaccinated, because it's through vaccination that we're able to prevent outbreaks like of measles.
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Luka pumuraha inyani mwa pumulo ya makuta la kaufi mihaloka kuta luka tozo la pili ni tukso ya Makande Mwa Silozi.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no cadre violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We are on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in MUNGU and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 MUNGU. Contact us on +26097292651. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Health Nest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Coming up next on ZWELOPILI, Lulivile Komandanga and Shangwe on a Fale Famsika Komandanga, Love Friday, 10th of July. Kweli ona ye Shangwe lo mema. Mamandanga kaofela mdahe famsika na saldo ikambuda moho niluna milipuzolo mishimbezi kizepeni. Ya pili kikuli, what are you expecting from the aspiring candidates ahead of the August 10th polls? Diketaritinzi rona fakiri kama nzo mkuvela Shangwe kama aspiring candidates vamine mwasalanda samina Shangwe. Musa wabeli kikuli, what development do you want to see in the markets in order for your business to grow? ZWELOPILI ifyo mbada kuwana mamusika wamina mamandanga Shangwe kuli business ya mina yuhule en Shangwe. So mina poki 14 hours Friday ilo na mumaskiti samangu mamandanga lufitile Shangwe amuitu kiseze mazimwangala Bulozi au Rikumsa Kayona. See you there.
Muske mwa ya watu kiso ya Beyond the Ballot Sipola Selesengwi by Papati Bababeli Lasunda 12 July 2026 Kanako ya 17:30 hours Lutsakumina by Papati bamwawadi yalialui apa ilibona bomubitalu basi bakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND hama ochwalo ni bokwalombota stwala baba yema kakwichemela yona independent amfumane nako yakuteleza kwa milelo ya ZWELOPILI yebanani yewa watakwezeza sichava salialwi apa kifama zimwangala abulozi fela au Rikumsa Kayona Lasunda 12 July 2026 Kanako ya 17:30 hours.
Voting is one of the few moments where we all have a voice.
One person, one vote.
No titles, no status.
Just a choice.
It's not about doing nothing.
It's about showing up.
Because your vote matters.
It's easy.
It's important.
It's ours.
Count me in.
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 Kibichomero mi lwa ekeza ni Makande Mwa Silozi. Babahulu bamapokola mwana hakamukana bahatserize buniti wakuli kubile ni kushimbulula kapa kuchincha mapokola kuzwa muri bakazemu kuyoberekela muri bakalisiri. Halabao bashimbuluzwe ni kuchinchiwa ki Commissioner of Police boyuyi mwala bao bachinchalizwe kuyoberekela kwa Police Service Headquarters ili mwatolopo ya Lusaka ili kuzwa kwa mikoti habasalibelela kuisiwa kwa sibaka Sisili. Babamwi ki Commissioner of Police wo Kenneth Kangombe bao bazosizwe kwa Mchinga Province mibaisizwe kwa mikoti kuyoba yomuhulu wa mapokola kwa sibakasani ili kuyola boyoyi mwala. Mihape Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police wo Eric Sindandumuna nibona bashimbuluzwi kubazusa kwa Central Division ni kubaisa kwa Southern Division kuyozola pili mastulo sa butikitivi walitaba za bukebenga yona Divisional Criminal Investigations Officer. Mikfeleleza Makande Mwa Silozi katengo kakatali mafao ZWELOPILI ya MIKWAKWA konaka Road Development Agency kanyatezi musolo wa mali afitafa 4.8 billion kwacha au akaitwesiwa kwa kulukisa MIKWAKWA ya kuzwa Livingstone kuya Sesheke ni kuzwa Chipata kuya Lundazi. Mwangambolo iyo muhulu kwa hasinya Makande kwa sichabani bali business bo Anthony Mlowa baize mingende tuna ye ikachimbula mayemu alinzira selelezo FAMIKWAKWA maneni kuhulisa litaba za sifumu kwa libakaza butonga mwabulozi ni kwa upa wanahaye. MUKWAKWA wa Livingstone kuya Sesheke woka ingali bimaze myanda emibeli nilishumi kazepeli ufilwe kwa kampani ya Sino Hydro Corporation Limited kakubelekisa na moho ni Nchifa Enterprises Limited haili kampani ya China Geo Engineering Corporation yona ikalukisa likalolo zengwi za MUKWAKWA wa Chipata kuya Lundazi.
Has signed major contracts for the rehabilitation, upgrading and maintenance of key road infrastructure on the Livingstone to Sesheke Road and the CHIPATA-LUNDAZI Road. This marks a significant step towards improving connectivity, enhancing road safety and supporting economic growth in southern, western and eastern provinces. For the Livingstone to Sesheke Road, the contract covers approximately 212 kilometers of road, and the contract has been awarded to Sino Hydro Corporation Limited. The project has been divided in 2 lots to facilitate efficient implementation. Lot 1 covers the section from the Livingstone to Sesheke Road.
Lufitile kwa mafelelezo tukuso ya Makande Mwa Silozi konulusika ya kale harutalimin hape faritoho za Makande. Wa MUKWAE MBUYWANA BABULUKILWE mwa MUNGU. YANABANGA meya wa MUNGU UTOLOKILE wa MUKWAE MBUYWANA KUBA MUBUKELEZI wa ZWELOPILI. RDA INYATELA PENE YEFITA 4.8 billion kwacha KULUKISA MIKWAKWA ya LIVINGSTONE-SESHEKE ni CHIPATA-LUNDAZI. Mwakona kubuhari tukisoza na kaufera fa TopStar ili fampwito ya 120 mwali wakaze tatama Mungu limulunga nalolo Lusaka Chongwe Chilanga likalolo za Sinanga Kalabo Rufunsa nilibaka zemwi zenzima bapa musako na kulubuha ni fa Facebook falikepe la Bulozi TV fapi labo manjinela bo fanwe opiri yanambalela Makande kina nathana kufuna wa mdila litumezi. Moske mwa ya watu kiso ya Beyond the Ballot. Sipola Selesengwi.